Hello everyone. Today we will learn about theory of computer science. Theory means mathematical model which are used for designing computer. It is actually logic that we will build for solving any problem. Application of TCS. It is mainly used for compiler construction and text processing. Let us start with the elements of TCS. The first element is symbol. What is a symbol? It is a single character or a single digit number. Character can be a English alphabet. This alphabet can be in lowercase or in uppercase. For example, A, B, C, D, either A or B or C or Z or P or Q in lowercase, or capital A or capital B or capital C or any other character. Another example of character is any operator. It can be arithmetic operator, for example plus sign, minus sign, multiplication, division and modulus. Operators can be relational operators, for example less than, greater than, equal to, not, or, and, etc. And special characters is a third category of a character. It can be @ hash, colon, question mark, dollar prompt, anything. And the last category of character is a single digit number. It can be either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, anything, but it cannot be the set of 0 to 9. Now we'll take the example of symbols in more detail. It can be either single A or single B, but it cannot be A, B. It can be a number, single digit number like 0 or 1, but it cannot be 1, 0, that is 10. That means the combination of characters or the single digit number cannot be a symbol. The symbol has to be a single character or a single digit number. If we are going to say about character, it can be either capital A or small b, it can be plus sign, it can be equal to sign, or it can be ampersand sign. That is, in short, a symbol can be any single digit character that is present on keyboard. So as an example, what we have to do, we have to give at least 5 symbols that we have not discussed today. Second thing that we have to do, that we have to relate between the English language symbol and the TCS symbol. This is your homework that you have to complete today itself. In the next lecture, we will start with alphabet. So that is all for today's session. We'll meet so very soon. Thank you.